If you have been importing product or ship product from China or any part of the world using Alibaba.com for a very long time, you are very new to Alibaba.com, but you find it difficult to add your shipping address, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to add a shipping address into your Alibaba shopping app or web without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or you want me to procure your link on Alibaba or AliExpress or any Chinese e-commerce apps or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import with your Alibaba.com. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to add a shipping address in Alibaba.com. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alibaba shopping app. Having opened up your Alibaba shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on my Alibaba right here. Click on my Alibaba. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way, and then make sure you go to shipping address. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on add a new address. Then it's going to take you right here. So by default, you have your country or region right here. If you like to change the country, what you need to do is to simply click on here. And then when you click on that, you see all the countries right here. You can choose any other country you want to change into. But as for me, I'm shipping into Nigeria. I'm going to close on that. The next thing you need to do is to enter your name right here or your company name. This name needs to be the name you have on your legal identity document. And the next thing you need to do is enter your phone number right here. So I'm going to enter my phone number. Then I've entered your phone number. Next thing you need to do is to enter the address right here. So you can click on here and you can enter the address manually or use current location. For you to use current location, simply click on use current location right here. And this will automatically generate the address then used while on app. Then click on remember this decision, allow access. And automatically everything is going to be filled into these particular sections right here. Now here, if you take note that the address was not actually correct based on your auto right here, you can simply add it manually right here or edit it right here. Then you can scroll down and review everything right here. Like for me, this address here is not actually correct based on my right address right here. I will simply click on here and I will modify the address right here. Okay, then I'll come here. Okay, so the state is correct, the city is correct, the zip code here is correct also. Next thing we want to do here is to make sure we review everything. And once you are sure that everything you enter here is correct, what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on save. And the address is going to be saved right here. It's that simple. If you need to modify the address, click on this icon right here. This will allow you to modify the address. You can change if you have any mistakes right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import with Alibaba, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish or any Chinese e-commerce apps or website or Alibaba.com, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.